let's find out. Nope, won't start at all. Yep, let's find out if you can start it up. Let's see. All right, let's see. See if we get some good power here. Good ground. Then we have some signal, and then we got the good power right there. Let's try to hardwire the signal. Signal there. Alright, I'll start. But when you turn it up, and start it back up again. Sounds like the signal is bad. Ignition switch maybe? Yep. Alright, and so we got this. Trying to see if we can try to check this ignition switch. Alright, let's check it out. Alright. Look, still in that piece, still in piece. Look like it works with the manually turn the ignition switch, but when it comes to this one, it doesn't work. So let's find out. Let's put it back. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna work now. Nope. Nope. Yep, you have to press it all the way in, so ignition switch is bad. Yep, find a problem, guys.